Here is step-by-step guide how to withdraw USDT from your Binance account to your bank account. So first of all, open up your browser and log in into your account. And after that, install your cursor on the trade right here and find here P2P. Click here. In the pop-up window that appear, you can click on OK button, and here you can read notice, and after that click on checkbox and confirm. And now I'm gonna change buy to sell button, and now you can change all filters. For example, 100 and choose payments. For example, buy or buyer. Now find here good offer for you and click on sell USDT button. After that, type in here amount of your USDT. And after that, click on set my payment method and click on plus icon and type in here buyer account number. And once your payment methods successfully added, you can click on sell USDT. That's it. I hope it helps. Convert this new video or this playlist about Binance.